Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, I would consider today a very solid move for no other reason other than, it's not like things spun back out of control or anything like that. What do I mean by spun back out of control? We'll have the price, gone sideways this morning, then all of a sudden, closed down around here. That wouldn't be a good sign. That would be a sign that, whatever caused this downwards move here was kind of back, influencing the chart. But as of right now, actually a little bit of a gap up and not much after the gap up, but still, like I said, just simply going sideways and not having any more sort of downwards momentum. I would consider that a pretty big victory. But with this sideways price action, there's been definitely a key area that's now been revealed as far as resistance is concerned, and that is this purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see it already knocked down the price once there on Friday, but then you fast forward to today, and several times this afternoon was rejected, and then during the final 30 minutes was rejected again right there. So I'm not saying that the price can't break above that level or anything. I'm just saying that according to the story that is being told to us via the chart here, that apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight up through that purple line and then be able to stay up above it. In the event it can, then not too far off, you'll have this next level of resistance right up around $1.61. So if anything, if you want to just call this a resistance zone from right around, $1.57 to $1.61, I think that'd be more than fair. If the price can push up through there, then the next key overall level of resistance would be right up around $1.75. So keep an eye on those levels from the resistance standpoint. As far as supports are concerned, yeah, you still have these levels down here. I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up since those ones down there aren't quite as relevant right now. But the ideal level going forward, Clay, what would make this chart look the best would be if the price can stay up above $1.48. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.48, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed because you do still have the pink line down there, which on my chart is representing the 200-period moving average. So again, it's not game over if $1.48 doesn't hold up. But yeah, you definitely would want to see, the 200-period hold if the price were to go down there and visit it. But as of right now, it's looking like the price wants to try to fight through that purple line. So we'll see if that can happen or not. The week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.